Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be turning peppermint bark into character. And as I said in the title, I am going to be coloring with my calligraphy pens. Yes, my calligraphy pens instead of alcohol markers or anything like that. And the idea of turning peppermint bark into character is suggested by one of my subscribers, and it was commented in one of my videos when I asked whether they had any video ideas for me. And so yeah, here I am trying to create something. So I thought I'd start off with like a small warm-up of like doing calligraphy. And shall we add a little bit of a peppermint candy up there for the dot of the eye? I did that already. And that person actually said to make like peppermint bark and gingerbread into characters, so I asked them which one they wanted me to do first, so they said peppermint bark first. So yeah, it's supposed to be peppermint bark, but I didn't have like the white color, and I drew it like a watermelon, so it kind of looks like that. But anyway, let's get into it. So here I drew a face, and it's just a face. I have like no idea what to do with it. I just drew the face and the head and kept it there. I have no idea what to do with, like, I don't know if it's a pose or like what she's gonna be wearing, what is she gonna be like doing. I mean, I don't know, it's just a head and a face, and she does look like Sophia the robot for some reason. But when I gave her some hair, she didn't look like that anymore. So I also decided to like draw a dress here. I actually thought I'm not gonna draw any dresses because I don't know, I think I was tired of drawing them. But then, you know, dresses are fancy and there's like a variety of them, so I don't think one could, you know, really get bored of drawing them. So yeah, I just end up drawing them again, and it does look like some kind of old-timey ancient clothing. I mean, not ancient, you know what I mean, but it's like way before the 20s. So I have like really no idea what to do. I'm just really drawing something, and then I finally thought I'd be doing like a princess dress, so something a little fancy, because the peppermint bark combinations, like the ideas and like the fashion designs that came into my head, were something a bit extra fancy and like princessy. So I decided to, like, you know, go with that, and I'm just drawing something. And to be honest, like the way she's standing, like if she didn't even have her hair, she would have literally looked like Sophia the robot, like you know, just standing there and like, hello sir, what do you want, and waiting for your orders. You know, like the little robot waitress. So yeah, she kind of looks like that without hair, but I like her. The face turned out really good. I hope I color it nicely too. So now for the part where I'm going to color and stuff, I decided to use my calligraphy pens. Yes, my calligraphy pens for doing them, because I mean, I know it's crazy, but I just wanted to try it out because I was too lazy to do watercolor today, and I wanted to do more characters than just one. So I decided to work with this, and I also wanted to see how the results would be like, so maybe I could use them like more often in my sketchbook so that it won't take up a lot of time. And you guys can also get to see a lot more designs than one. So I'm just really going in with like the pencil sketching here and stuff, and I don't know how she's gonna be like, but yeah, let's see.
And as you guys can see here, I finished the first character, and now we're going to the second one. I mean, we are in the second one. I couldn't film the part where I was like coloring in the sweater because, you know, I was just too impatient to film it. Yeah, I just did it already. And now I'm just going to use the yellow color and color it very lightly so that it looks like that, you know, a bit of that white chocolate color. And the brush pens, the way they like, you know, smoothly go and touch the paper, that interaction between the paper and the brush pen is like really satisfying. You should probably try it out too, but I'm not telling you to waste your ink of your lettering pens, like if you don't have a lot of them. But then I really liked it.
And now I'm gonna color in these skinny jeans with another brown, cause why not? And I also, yeah, as you can see there, I did those really crazy fur thingies, like how you see it in, you know, around us during winter. So those are really in style, and I just wanted to do that. So I hope you can like see it. That's the jeans right there. I don't know, but I think I should have added some cuts and stuff. I like the texture of the sweater because actually added white pen. The gel pen, like for the lines and stuff. But I actually left out a highlight there, so it has given like some kind of like a blurry tie-dye effect or something. I don't know. I'm gonna go in with this one again. I don't even know what to do now because I've basically finished. Okay, now let's try to color in the hair. Where's that brown? Okay, I'm getting confused with these browns. Where's the other one? Where's the brown when you need it? Okay, found it. Okay, looks like my brown is faithful to me. And now I'm gonna just go in and color the hair. So I basically just went in with the brown to color the hair, and I wanted to add like a streak of red in there. It didn't go exactly the way I planned, but I just went with it. I think it's weird because I'm not rubbing out the pencil lines. Well, sometimes it's just what I do, so yeah, let's just go along with that. I want to make it more bold. Too bold. Too bold. Anyway, just adding some of that blush. Color pencils. And I really recommend to try this out. Like, you guys should try it out too, to design something like this or whatever you want in your way. It doesn't have to be peppermint bark. It can be any kind of food item or something else, because it's really fun, and I've never had a lot of fun like this in my entire life, in drawing stuff. I think I don't know, it's really something else.
So now for the second character, I basically just went over with the orange and like lightly colored the face because that's what I usually do. But I think it became a little bit too yellow, so I'm gonna rub it out and go over it again so that it doesn't look like a yellow face and she got some, I don't know, some kind of disease. So I made sure to get rid of that effect. And yeah, I'm just going over it again.
So I just add a little bit of purple flesh shade, and this is second peppermint bark character, and I hope you guys like it. And now for the third one, I'm gonna do a bit of a princess design, like a princess outfit, because peppermint bark, the idea itself and everything's coming to my head in like very fancy, all these gowns. So I thought I'd be doing another wintry princess outfit. So yeah, let's get into it.
So as you guys can see here, I've already like drawn the princess outfit for the third one, and those are the thumbnails that you can see there. So I did a lot of thumbnailing to like understand the colors and where they should go. So like before, and yeah, that's the little thumbnail right there for the second piece that I did. So yeah, we used to do this thing at school. Like, we used to cover up our hands with our like sleeves for sweaters and stuff, and then like do that thing. I don't know if Chinese people do that. No offense, but like, I don't know, I'm just saying it. So I thought I'd incorporate that in my design. I don't know if that kind of fashion existed or not, but I'm just doing it because why not? And I decided to make the hair like a little bit flowy, like it's flown up, like blowing, like going along with the wind. Because my art is actually a little bit stiff because I'm a bit of a beginner. So I thought, why not make it a little bit more flowy and less stiff? And I decided to make the hair like flowing along with the wind like that. And she's probably outside her castle, like, and she's out in the snow, and she's wearing all this wintry stuff so that she doesn't feel cold. And there's a really nice, wind going on, but it's a little bit strong, so her like hair is being flown along with it. And usually I draw the face first, but this time I didn't draw it because I'm just a little bit nervous. But yeah, I started like coloring it, and
I basically colored the whole thing, but like not really. I have a little bit more like finishing touches to make, and I did, as you can see here, like the hair that I showed before, it looked a little bit boring with all the lines being like of the same line variation. So I made some really interesting line variations there, some thick and some thin, and like that, so then it looked more interesting. So yeah, that's what I did there.
So basically I just colored the whole thing, and that's the final result of the dress. I did add those chunks of peppermint bark in her like fur, and I like the gown, and I did add a little bit of that line variation thingy in the gown too to make it more interesting, and I did put those little bit peppermint barks there. And yeah, this represents like the peppermint bark. So the upper part of the dress is like white, so just as peppermint bark, and the lower part is brown, so it's like the white chocolate is on top of the chocolate. So yeah, hope you guys understand that.
Yes, I did a lot of experimenting, and I also ended up doing some bad things there. Like I tried adding those brown strokes there, like on the dress, but then I ended up doing something with it with my finger, and it kind of got torn or something. But yeah, overall it's really nice, and I just need to like do the face now. So that's the end result. I know her face looks like one of those mixed emotions because yeah, it is one of those mixed emotions. So she's like the princess of Peppermint Will. Like Peppermint Will has a queen and a king, and let's say this is their younger daughter and this is their elder daughter. So this is the elder princess, like the elder one. And yeah, their city just went through like a storm during winter, and well, and then she came out, the next day after a storm and everything had like just cleared out, and then she's like kind of happy that the storm went and the people are starting to come out and like start smiling at her and stuff. And she's also kind of sad that many people had some of their homes like destroyed, but then it's one of those mixed emotions. So she's like smiling and being happy about the people who are like smiling at her, and she's also sad about the people who lost their homes. So yeah, I think I made it into a story, but this character right here is out of the place. I think she's just a foreigner who came to Peppermint Will, and she's just dressed up like that, or she's just one of the citizens. So this is the citizen of Peppermint Will. She doesn't seem to have any expressions because I made her like that. Very stiff though, but I do like the thing going on here. It's like a cool tie-dye effect or something. So I didn't really color in here so you can like see it. And then I went on with the white gel pen and did all those scribbles right there. So yeah, that's what happened. And like this is the first design. She does look like a grandma now because there are so many strokes here and there, and it's kind of messy though. I should really practice trying to make my sketches less messy. And then for the second one, the thumbnails here, and this is the thing. Again, it looks a little bit too streaky. And then the last but not the least, the third one of those mixed emotions. So this is really a big story, I just literally made a story out of it. So I hope you guys like the story. And this is my calligraphy. And yes, so in this video I did turn Peppermint Bark into a watermelon too. How about that, eh? So I guess this is our Peppermint Bark watermelon. Hope you like that too. And these are the thumbnails for the third one, as I told. And yeah, I hope you guys can see this. I mean, I didn't really want to see it. So through all of this, when I was doing the face, one page of my sketchbook, not one, 4 pages of my sketchbook completely just came out like that. And it's this. Yeah. And I have to somehow fix that back now. And my nails are not that good. It's in need of change. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. And that's basically the end. And until next time, bye!